Welcome to a conversation that could transform your financial future. Today, we'll unveil one of the most powerful and often underestimated strategies for building wealth. We're discussing automatic savings, a fundamental tool in the arsenal of those achieving financial freedom. This isn't just a technique, it's a philosophy that counteracts our natural tendency to procrastinate. Automatic savings eliminates the dependence on personal discipline and willpower, which are finite resources. It uses automation to transform saving into an effortless, almost invisible habit. Automatic savings is a fundamental strategy for building wealth. It's a pillar that supports the finances of the most successful people. It's not about how much money you earn, but how much you manage to retain and grow. This method counteracts the dependence on personal discipline and willpower. We know that life is full of unexpected events and temptations that can derail our best intentions. Automation is the answer to this human weakness. Use technology to turn saving into an effortless habit. Once set up, the system works for you, ensuring your financial goals move forward without your daily intervention. It's the smartest way to secure your future. The central premise of automatic savings is simple but powerful. It consists of establishing automatic transfers as a key action. This action is the engine that drives the entire process. A specific portion of income is set aside for this purpose. It's not what's left over at the end of the month, but rather a predetermined amount that's set aside first. This reverses the traditional logic of spending. This portion is transferred directly to a savings or investment account. The money should go somewhere where it can't be easily accessed for everyday expenses. Its purpose is to grow, not be consumed. The transfer occurs as soon as the salary is received. This is the principle of paying yourself first, a maxim of financial education. Before paying any other bill, you pay yourself. This seemingly small action has a significant long-term impact. Consistency and time are the most powerful allies of automatic savings. Small amounts today turn into large fortunes tomorrow. Automatic savings offers multiple advantages that make it an indispensable strategy. These advantages address the common challenges people face when trying to save. From procrastination to lack of discipline, automatic savings has a solution. Automatic savings addresses the common tendency to procrastinate. It's easy to say, "I'll start next month," or "when I earn more money." This mentality is a constant obstacle to financial progress. Eliminate the excuse of waiting to have more money in the future. The reality is that there will always be something to spend, no matter how much you earn. Saving should be a priority, not a residual option. Ensure that savings happen by default and consistently. By automating it, you eliminate the daily or monthly decision to save. It just happens without you having to think about it. This makes saving a non-negotiable part of your budget. It's not something you consider, but something you already do. It's a proactive way to manage your finances. Procrastination is the enemy of financial progress. Automatic savings is your most effective weapon against it. It allows you to move forward without depending on your mood or motivation level. Automatic savings eliminates the need to remember to manually transfer money each month. This task, although simple, can easily be forgotten or postponed. Mental friction is a real obstacle. Establish a completely passive savings process. Once set up, the system works in the background. You can focus on other areas of your life, knowing your finances are in order. It makes it easier to consistently meet savings goals. Consistency is key to achieving ambitious financial goals. Automation ensures that consistency without additional effort. This reduction in friction frees up mental energy and time. You don't have to worry about whether or how much you saved this month. The system takes care of that for you. Simplicity is a virtue in financial management. Automatic savings simplifies the process of accumulating wealth. It makes it so easy that there's no excuse not to do it. Automatic savings creates an inherent commitment to saving when you establish a plan. By setting up transfers, you are making a conscious decision about your future. This initial act is powerful. It helps you develop a proactive savings mindset. Instead of reacting to your spending, you're acting with foresight. This changes your relationship with money. It encourages more conscious financial decision-making. Knowing that a portion of your income is already set aside for savings allows you to adjust your remaining spending. This fosters accountability. Make saving a priority, not an afterthought. Set aside money for your future before anything else. This reinforces its importance. Although the process is automatic, the act of setting it up is an exercise in discipline. Over time, this practice takes root and becomes a natural part of your financial life. It's a discipline you build without even realizing it. Automatic savings allow the money you save to continually earn interest. Each contribution adds to your existing capital, creating a larger base for growth. This is the power of compound interest. He emphasizes the compound effect as crucial to exponential wealth growth. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Your money works for you, and your earnings generate earnings too. The sooner you start saving automatically, the more time compound interest has to work. Time is the secret ingredient that maximizes this effect. Don't underestimate the power of starting today. Even small amounts, saved consistently over decades, can grow into substantial sums. Compound interest is a wealth multiplier that benefits the patient and persistent. Automatic savings is the perfect tool to take advantage of it. This effect is what truly separates those who accumulate wealth from those who don't. It's not just about saving, but about allowing that savings to grow. Automatic saving puts this process on autopilot. Automatic saving suggests starting with a small initial amount, for example, 10% of your income. The important thing is getting started, not the perfect amount. Consistency trumps initial magnitude. You can gradually increase your savings percentage. As your income increases or your expenses decrease, you can adjust the amount you save. This keeps the system relevant and effective. You can adjust your savings based on improvements in your personal financial situation. Life changes, and so do your finances. The automatic savings system is flexible enough to adapt to these fluctuations. This adaptability means that automatic savings isn't a rigid solution. It's a dynamic strategy that can evolve with you. It allows you to maintain control while the system does the heavy lifting. Start where you can, but start. Then look for opportunities to increase your contribution. Each increase accelerates your path to financial freedom. It's crucial to choose the savings or investment account that best suits your goals. Not all accounts are created equal, and the right choice can make a big difference in the growth of your money. Research your options carefully. It's recommended to research options with competitive interest rates. A higher interest rate means your money will grow faster. Compare offers from different financial institutions. Consider accounts designed for long-term growth. Traditional savings accounts can be a good starting point, but investment accounts offer greater potential. Think ahead. Examples include investment accounts, such as mutual funds or ETFs, or retirement plans. These options are designed to maximize growth over time. Look for vehicles that align with your goals. Choosing the right account is just as important as saving. Make sure your money is working as hard as possible for you. A financial advisor can help you navigate these options. Automatic savings is a powerful tool used by the wealthy to build wealth. It's not a closely guarded secret, but a fundamental practice that anyone can adopt. It's the foundation of a solid financial life. Implementing this strategy is a crucial step toward achieving financial freedom. It allows you to take control of your future instead of leaving it to chance. It's an empowering decision. It helps ensure a prosperous and stable financial future. By automating your savings, you're building a financial cushion and a path toward your dreams. It's an investment in yourself. Don't wait any longer to put this strategy into action. Set up your automatic transfers today. Your future self will thank you. Automatic savings aren't just for the rich. It's what makes them rich. It's time you adopt this powerful habit too. Your path to prosperity begins now.